Oh my freaking goodness. If you are new, I apologize. This is about to be a rant cleaning video, and yeah, I apologize. You guys, I have been doing so good with uploading and editing and getting my stuff done while still going to school and stuff. Well, it is my finals this week. And last week, a lot of stuff was due that was for the final for this week. So the past 2 weeks have been hectic. Like, no joke, you should see my house right now. Oh, by the way, what you're watching right now is an old video. I found it on one of my memory cards. I was looking for something to upload. I know that I had like candle wax and stuff videos, so I was just looking for something. And this is an old video. Half of my tattoos ain't even on me right now, so I'm just letting you know, like, this isn't current at all. This is gonna be a quick cleaning video. This is just something I found on one of my memory cards, so that's that. If I look a little different, that's why. This was like maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, so I don't know why I never uploaded it, but I found it. But yeah, so my schedule has been insane, like, no joke. It's freaking crazy. My finals, I had papers due. I had like one paper after another, and like I needed help with them, so I had to stay after school late. And usually I'm doing like more online classes, but then I had to go to school. So it's literally been all over the place. And it's not even just like YouTube that's been suffering. My house is a mess. We've been having trouble with like dinners every night because I'm literally that busy. So this will be my last week. My last day is technically Monday, but I have most of my stuff in. I just have a class on Friday that I'm going to be at all day, and then I have a major test that's due that weekend, and then by Sunday night I have to have everything in. Sunday night, Monday morning. So after that, you guys get me for 2 weeks straight, and 2 weeks straight is going to be until my summer classes start, but I'm taking half of what I'm taking now. So I should have more time and hopefully get back in the groove of everything. I am so sorry. I feel horrible because I had all these things planned and then it just dropped. Like, I wasn't expecting that much work all at once, and it just overwhelmed me. Like, even yesterday, no joke, I had an emotional breakdown. Like, I was just like, I don't know what is going on. I cannot handle this much stuff all at once because it was just so much. So yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. I really am, and I hope you don't hate me for this. I know that I say sorry in every single video. I just, after 10 years of not being in school, you don't expect certain things, and everything's changed now. Like, when I was in high school and stuff, things weren't like online the way they are now, and the internet and it's all over the place. So I'm sorry. I found this and I wanted to post something, so I was looking for literally anything to post. So thank you guys for watching. I'm definitely gonna be back on to talk a little bit more about everything, but yeah, I apologize. If you're new, please don't let this be like the one thing that's gonna make you see me a certain way. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit of a liar. I'll be like, oh, I'm coming out with a video, and then something always happens. So I need to stop saying that. That's what my problem is. But if you're new, hi, I'm Vanessa. I make cleaning videos, I make gluten-free videos, I make a whole bunch of random videos, and apparently I am the most unorganized person you've probably ever met in your life. So subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Enjoy the video, guys.
shapes and sizes. Good, nowhere else to be. Small voices singing, set me free. Set me free. You said you'd hope to die. You've crossed my heart now too many times. You know the feeling is gigantic, although it barely meets a naked eye. The messages we send are transatlantic, and you can barely tell that I am really shy. Oh, I'm so shy. You said you'd hope to die. You've crossed my heart now too many times. I'd stick a needle in your eye.
So something I think that is absolutely insane, if you guys are new, I make gluten-free videos, and I'm looking at myself while I'm editing this back, and I realize where I was having problems with bloating. Like, I'm looking at myself and I'm like, wow. I looked at my new cleaning video well, not new, but my recent cleaning video. By the way, you guys didn't tell me that the audio had cut out on one point. I apologize for that. I didn't know. I don't usually like watch myself back. I kind of like make sure all the clips and stuff are in order, and then I just post it. I never watch myself like after it gets posted. So like, I don't know that this stuff happens. So I'm like looking at it and I'm like, is it just me or is the sound off? So I apologize if you guys go and watch that video. Just play music in the background. Well, you can't because you're gonna be watching the video. Okay, just hum to it. I don't know what happened, but I guess my audio dropped, so I apologize. But yeah, so recently, if you guys are new, about 6 months now, I've been eating gluten-free because I had like major bloating issues and stuff like that. So like, I'm watching it back as I'm editing, and I'm like, wow, I can really see my bloat compared to my videos now. So that's crazy. It's crazy to see. Like, maybe I need to start like filming myself and leaving the video for later, like how I did this one, like how I completely forgot, and go back and see how everything is different, I guess. I don't know. I thought that was weird. So yeah, I was looking at myself and I'm like, wow, I look a little puffy. Why? I'm not calling myself fat or anything. I'm just saying, like, because my bloating is so bad and I didn't know what was wrong. So it's crazy to see that, like, the difference that it makes when I was eating gluten-free, or now since I'm eating gluten-free, and when I wasn't. It's just kind of crazy to look back and see the difference.
Let me die. You know that I'm afraid of tiny spaces. How could you leave me in too high? I can't tell the difference in their faces. Monsters come in different shapes and sizes. Good, nowhere else to be. Small voices singing, set me free. Set me free. You said you'd hope to die. You've crossed my heart now too many times. You know the feeling is gigantic, although it barely meets a naked eye. The messages we send are transatlantic, and you can barely tell that I am really shy. Oh, I'm so shy. You said you'd hope to die. You've crossed my heart now too many times. I'd stick a needle in your eye, but I'm too shy.
And I have so many more videos planned for you guys. I'm like halfway done with one of my cleaning ones right now. I'm starting another cleaning one at the moment. I have a whole bunch of gluten-free ones. Like, I have gluten-free snacks. I have gluten-free, 4th of July that's coming up. I have more what I eat in a days. I apologize for not getting Easter out. Like I said, things just got really, really hectic, and I apologize for that. I think I apologized in my other video for that. But yeah, I have so many more that are planned. And then like I recently started this thing because we're a little bit on a budget lately, going through the cabinets and seeing what we have just kind of left over until like payday and seeing what I can make out of it. And I've been coming up with some really, really good ideas. So I'm thinking of doing like a series also where like, I don't know what to call it though. If you guys have any ideas, but we're gonna like go through the pantry and see what we have and kind of make do with what we have. So maybe you should help me with the name. If you guys have any name suggestions, leave them down below. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And I promise I will be back very, very soon with another video. I swear, it's Sunday. Sunday's the last day. And after that, my attention's all yours for 2 weeks. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.
You know I will stay silent, I won't force it.